How to make an essay longer without adding words. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to make an essay longer without adding words. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to chat.openai.com. Make sure you're logged in as well. In this tutorial, we will be trying to use ChatGPT to make our essay longer. For starters, you already need to have an essay. All you need to do is copy first your essay. And then, when we go to ChatGPT, we would give him the command saying, "Hey ChatGPT, can you please make my essay longer?" And then paste your essay. Here's an example. Now that I have already pasted my essay, I am just going to add a command that says, "Can you please make this longer?" We need to specify so that ChatGPT will be able to understand what we want from him. As you can see, I just put in an open and close parentheses saying make it longer. And then for now, let's just wait for the AI to finish typing. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.